This is a base model C6. I've done quite a bit of work on it, converted the body into ZL1 style, and all the suspension have been upgraded into ZL1 as well. So the only thing left is throwing some boost into the engine. So that's what I'm doing now. Just ordered the ANA kit, supercharged, centrifugal supercharger. Let's walk over and show you what I got. Alright, so the kit came in, unwrap everything, and everything looks amazing. This is all the intake. There we go, ANA, supercharger. All the brackets, tensioner, everything is polished, very, very high quality. All tubings, lamps, head unit. This is a self-contained oil system, which is a lot easier. You don't have to tap the oil pan. This is a Vortec head unit, and they use Vortec. So this is a very reliable and is proven to be a really good supercharger head unit. More tubings. The kit comes with everything. It comes with a booster pump, and comes with 60 pounds injectors, spark plugs, all the blades and things to mount the intercooler, a bunch of hose, new belt, and this is part of the finishing kit. This goes on the top and cover everything. Intercooler. This is actually really heavy. It weighs like, I don't know, maybe 20 pounds for aluminum. Not sure why it's so heavy. The top looks like it's a casted part. So it's very rigid. Looks really great. So anyhow, just unpacked everything, and this is gonna probably take me a while, maybe 3 weekends or something like that. I'm only doing this in the weekend, so we'll see how that go. My son, he just turned 12, and he's taken interest in helping me to get this kid in the car. So this is the first father and son project. He's not here right now. He has a swimming lesson, but he'll come help me. Hopefully by this weekend we'll get some stuff put together. I also ordered the cam, a new cam that goes with the supercharger kit, and that hasn't come in yet. It's from Brian Tooley, and it's designed for ANA supercharger, so it's a direct match into the system, and designed to optimize your performance. So Andy from ANA was telling me that the kit that I had set up for will give me 600 at the rear wheel. So after all this is said and done, we'll get it tuned at a shop, and then I'll walk you guys through that whole process, and we'll see what we really get as far as rear wheel horsepower. So stay tuned. So this is how the car sounds now. Just want to do a quick video before I put the supercharger and the cam in. Do a quick sound comparison test. There we go. So that's how it sounds now. I'm ready to take the engine apart. Made some progress. I removed the front bumper and took the hood off to gain some room. The procedure doesn't require to take the hood off, but I just did anyway to get some more room in there. So it's quite open. lots of room for the intercooler. Since I'm gonna do a cam swap anyway, I gotta get rid of all this condenser and radiator and all that stuff. All that gotta come out, just so the cam can come out. Not sure if I could just lift up the condenser, or I have to remove it completely. Probably have to remove it completely so I can get the radiator out. This is gonna be messy because I gotta depressurize the system and then get it to refill again. I'm done. So I think that's what I'm gonna end up having to do. So that's where I'm at right now. Making pretty good progress for probably 3 hours worth of work so far. You notice this is not a Corvette fender gripper. This is the only set that I have. I also have a Mustang, so anyway, we'll do some more work and then we'll give you guys further updates. Maybe a little bit more progress today. I got the radiator and condenser out of the car, depressurized the AC system and removed the condenser, drain all the fluid, get the radiator out. I took the mass airflow sensor out, so I think we can just leave the throttle body where it's at. Gotta go back and look at the instruction again. I think the next step would be removing the water pump because I'm changing the cam. I'll probably go ahead and change the cam and springs and all that before getting the supercharger on. Got the alternator out. Let's see, made some more room for the rack and pinion to be removed. So that's the ultimate task, is to get this rack and pinion completely out of here, slide to the passenger side. So next thing to do is I need to find a way to get this off, this whole bracket. So I guess I have to unbolt all these bolts here and down there, get that out of the way so I can get down. Probably cannot see it from there, but there's rack and pinion hydraulic lines. You can see a little bit down there that need to be disconnected. So hopefully all this stuff is going to be out of the way, and should be able to get to the hydraulic lines there. And then once I get that disconnected, I gotta go ahead and disconnect the steering shaft that's connected to the rack and pinion. There's one bolt you can see from there. This bolt down there, and that need to be taken out, and then rack and pinion come out. So, and then after that, it should be all downhill from there. Once the rack and pinion is out, I can go ahead and take the water pump out, get the harmonic balancer damper out, and then get the plates out, the cover plate for the timing chain, and then get to the timing chain, and then unbolt a couple things to get to the cam. So that's my objective right now. Supercharger needs to wait. Gotta get the cam and spring installed first. So I'm kind of frustrated I have to get all this done, and Supercharger is sitting over there waiting for this sidetrack project to get done with the cam. But hey, it's gonna be all worth it when this is done.